When you go to the Gmail app and you open it, in the upper right, you can switch between accounts. So if you have different accounts, you can see I have 3 accounts. If my account is not here, then I can click Add Another Account, and I can add a Gmail, an Outlook, an Office 365, etc. But if my account is here, then I can just use that menu in the upper right to switch between accounts. In addition, on the upper left, there's 3 lines, and that will get you the normal menu that you get on the left side of your Gmail on your computer. So you can switch between primary, social, and promotions, or starred, or you can go all the way down and you've got labels down here. So you can do the same things as on your computer. In addition, if you want to swipe right, you can archive, or left, you can delete, and those are the options on the Gmail app.